Hi everyone, welcome to Shriya the Cotton House. This is Aishwarya. In this video, we will be showing you 4 pure cotton sets that comes with a pure soft cotton dupatta and a cotton bottom. All these are very comfortable office wear and daily wear items. Okay, and so these items are available in our website. If you like to book any of the item, kindly do log into our website, which is www.shriyadakottonhouse.com, or else take a screenshot of the item and WhatsApp us at 9176641794. Our website address and our WhatsApp number is given in the description box. Kindly do check it. Now let me show you the items one by one. The first item is a cotton item. Okay, so this is the top. It's a light grey color, soft cotton top with a beautiful printing work all over the top, and you will be getting a beautiful embroidery work in the yoke portion as well. Beautiful color combination. This is grey with yellow color combination. Okay. So this is how the top will be. The fabric will be very soft. Such a soft cotton top this is, with a complete printed pattern, and you will be getting a plain yellow color cotton bottom with this. Okay, and this comes with a beautifully floral printed soft cotton dupatta. Okay, so this is the dupatta. It's a soft cotton dupatta with a complete floral pattern. Okay, it's a cotton top with a plain cotton bottom and a completely printed soft cotton dupatta, priced only for 1045 with free shipping. We have got two colors in this. One is grey with yellow, and the next one is yellow with grey color combination. You will be getting an yellow color top. Okay, and this comes with the grey color plain cotton bottom and a printed dupatta. Very soft item this is. Okay, this is how the top will be. It's an yellow color, very mild yellow. This is beautiful yellow, and you will be getting a light grey color cotton bottom with this plain bottom, and this is the dupatta. Completely floral printed, soft cotton dupatta. Okay, very lengthy dupatta also this is. So this is priced only for 1045 with free shipping. Now let's move on to the next item. Next item is also a cotton item. Okay, this is how the top will be. It's a kind of ikat printing you will be getting, but this is just a printed ikat, not pure ikat. Okay, the full top has got an ikat pattern, and in the yoke portion you will be getting a very minute thread work and bead work. Okay, so this is also a very elegant item, and the fabric will be very soft. Okay, so this is how the top will be, completely printed soft cotton top this is, and you will be getting a plain yellow color bottom with this. So we have got two colors. Everything will be same, just the bottom color alone will be different. So this is yellow color bottom, and this is the dupatta. It's a cotton dupatta, the complete printing pattern. Okay, this is also a lengthy dupatta. So this is priced only for 975 with free shipping. It's a completely printed soft cotton top with a plain cotton bottom and a completely printed cotton dupatta, priced only for 975 with free shipping. So we have got two colors. The next one is with red color bottom. The top will be same. The top printing will be same. The dupatta printing will also be same. Just the bottom color alone will be different. Okay. So this is a soft cotton top with a complete printed pattern. So you will be getting a print on back side as well. Okay. And this is the bottom. You will be getting plain red color bottom. And this is the dupatta. Completely printed soft cotton dupatta. Okay, so this is how the set looks. So this set is priced only for 975 with free shipping. Let's move on to the next item. So the next item is a very premium quality cotton top this is. Okay, so this is a green color cotton top. The full top has got a kind of an embossed pattern. I hope you could see this. Okay, the full top has got a kind of an embossed pattern. So this is a green color, very comfortable cotton top this is. You can stitch without lining as well. The fabric is quite thick fabric only. Okay, so this is how the top will be. The full top has got a embossed pattern, and in the yoke portion you will be getting a patchwork and bead work. Okay, so this is how the top will be, and you will be getting a golden brown color plain cotton bottom with this pure cotton bottom, and a very soft, very elegant, completely block printed cotton dupatta, soft cotton dupatta. Okay, so this is how the dupatta will be. So this is also a very lengthy dupatta, completely hand block printed cotton dupatta this is. So this set is priced only for 950 with free shipping. It's a cotton top with a cotton bottom and a cotton dupatta, priced only for 950 with free shipping. Next is a very beautiful red color, royal red color this is. Okay, so this is how the embossed pattern will be. Okay, so these are all complete weaving, not kind of a printing. These are all complete embossed pattern. Okay, very premium quality cotton top this is. Okay, so this is how the top will be, and you will be getting a green color plain cotton bottom with this, and this is the dupatta, completely block printed cotton dupatta, soft cotton dupatta, priced only for 950 with free shipping. So the next is beautiful mango yellow. Okay, so this is the mango yellow color cotton top, and this comes with a red color bottom. So the dupatta will be same for all the items, just the top and bottom will be different. Okay, so this is how the top will be, and you will be getting a plain red color bottom with this. Okay, so this is the bottom you will be getting, and this is the dupatta. So this is a very soft dupatta, very comfortable dupatta also, and also very lengthy dupatta. So this is priced only for 950 with free shipping. We have got 3 colors, red, green and yellow. Okay, so all are priced only at 950 with free shipping. Let's move on to the next item. So the next item is also a cotton top. Okay, so this is a completely you will be getting a kind of a self thread embroidery work. Okay, so all these are complete thread work, not printed work, and also you will be getting a beautiful patchwork in the yoke portion as well. So this is a beautiful yellow with green color combination. Okay, so this is how the top will be. The full top has got a self thread embroidery, and you will be getting a patchwork in the yoke portion and also in the daman. Okay, so this is how the top will be, and this comes with the completely batik dyed cotton top. This is soft cotton top, and you will be getting a completely batik dyed soft cotton dupatta. Okay, this is how the dupatta will be. Okay, so all these are premium quality cotton, very comfortable to wear, and this is priced only for 1090 with free shipping. It's a cotton top, the completely printed cotton bottom and a completely printed soft cotton dupatta, priced only for 1090. So we have got one more color in this, so that's green with yellow. Okay, so this is the top. Okay, I hope you could see the self thread embroidery work. Kind of a kanta pattern you will be getting, but this is not an original kanta, it's a machine embroidered work. Okay, so this is how the top with beautiful color combination. This is green color top, and you will be getting a kind of a dark turmeric yellow color bottom with this completely batik dyed bottom. Okay, and this is the dupatta. Okay, completely batik dyed soft cotton dupatta. Okay, so this is priced only for 1090 with free shipping. Okay, so it's a cotton top with a cotton bottom and a completely printed cotton dupatta, priced only for 1090 with free shipping. So that's all for today. I hope you all like the collections, whatever I have shown you. I'll meet you all tomorrow with a new set of collections. Until then, stay tuned with us. Bye bye all.